In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Hootsuite. Managing your social media accounts can be a breeze with tools like Hootsuite, especially if you're handling multiple accounts across various time zones. It's crucial to have your time zone settings correct to ensure your posts go live at the intended time for your audience. Whether you've recently moved or are managing accounts in a different time zone, adjusting your settings on Hootsuite is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. First, start by heading over to the Hootsuite website. Once there, you'll find the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will direct you to the login page. At the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email associated with your Hootsuite account. After entering your email, it's time to type in your password. Hootsuite values your account's security, so ensure your password is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've successfully filled in your credentials, sign into your account by clicking the Sign In button. Now you're in the dashboard of your Hootsuite account where all the magic happens. This dashboard is where you can view your streams, manage your posts, and adjust your account settings. To access your personal settings, you'll need to navigate to your profile. Look for the profile icon, usually found at the bottom left corner of the screen, or somewhere conspicuous depending on any interface updates. Once you find the profile icon, click on it and then select Social Accounts and Teams from the drop-down menu. This section lets you manage not just your profiles, but also gives you access to more detailed settings. After selecting Social Accounts and Teams, click on your profile. Here you'll notice an edit icon next to your profile settings. Click on this icon. This action will allow you to make changes to your profile settings, including your time zone. Within your profile settings, locate the Account and Settings option. It's here that your personal account details are stored. Among these details, you'll see an option for adjusting your time zone. Click on Time Zone to choose your preferred time zone. Once you've selected the appropriate time zone for your account, make sure to save your changes to ensure your account is updated accordingly. Choosing the correct time zone is particularly important for content scheduling. If your time zone isn't set correctly, your scheduled posts could go live at unintended hours, potentially missing your target audience's peak activity times. Remember, Hootsuite uses the time zone setting for all scheduled posts across your profiles, so you'll want to ensure it reflects the time zone you're actively working in or the time zone of your target audience. In a digital world where timing can be everything, setting your Hootsuite account to the correct time zone is a small but critical step in ensuring your social media management is as effective as possible. With your time zone now accurately set, you're all set to schedule your posts without worrying about unexpected timing errors. Isn't it easy? By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Hootsuite account reflects the correct time zone, allowing you to manage your social media content efficiently and effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help streamline your social media management process.